who are in the online. Am I audible? So all of you confirm it. Okay. Now we will continue. Any online students came today? Online to offline. Both of you, ma? You are also online to offline. So yesterday you were there. What I discussed yesterday. You are my belongs to my batch only. What I discussed yesterday. Yesterday up to that you are in online, right? What I discussed yesterday. Ma? Developing? Correct. Tell me. Developing? Exceptions. Yourself, ma, which keyword we used? Yourself. Which keyword we used? You are there in the yesterday online? Or you belongs to this batch? Which keyword we used? The raise keyword. So I think yourself. Need to remember, ma. Fine. So raise keyword we used it. So now we will continue that. So if you miss the class, you will get a problem of understanding. That is what I am asking the questions in the class. Okay. Try to take care and let me continue the topics here. So now I am going to discuss the continuation process, continuity of the programming now. So start, students. In last session, we have completed the programmer defined exceptions, steps for development of programmer defined exceptions. That is where we started with. Okay. So in that steps I said, choosing the class name and choosing the programmer defined class name, inheriting from predefined exception, superclass called what? Exception or base exception. Hence the programmer defined class becomes what? Programmer defined exception class, and save that code of that file name on the extension .py. And I set some different small skeleton examples, and we completed one small example also and one small part also. Before going to discuss other part of it, one more example I want to discuss. Okay, na? Write down, open the notes, open your notes. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will generate multiplication table, for a given positive number, right? Next line. If the given number is negative, if the given number is negative, generate a message through an exception, right? So let us go to the skeleton part here. Look at all of you students. Look at all of you now here. I want to develop the multiplication table with exceptions. From now onwards, any application is coming, you try to start developing with the exceptions. And we do one case study also today. ATM application, we develop it and carefully try to understand. So what are the exceptions here? I want to develop it. So I will develop if the given number is, look at that. If the given number is what? Negative, generate exception. Generate what? Exception. If the given number is positive, generate the multiplication table. If the given number is what? Positive, generate what? Generate multiplication table. Multiplication table. Understanding me? If the given number is negative, generate the exception. If the given number is positive, generate what? Multiplication table. So how to do this? So let us go to the discussion in the class. So let's start with here. What are the workings required? Here I will take mul table.py. It's one program. Next I will generate one exception also. In this I will take the function name called what? Table function. I will take it. And before that I will take one exception name. What is an exception name? Invalid number. Invalid number. Invalid number is nothing but if the number is negative number. So this is called what? I will give some number of something like invalid.py. It is an exception development. Now I will write one main program. What is this now? mul table demo.py. So it is called what? Main program. I will take it. This is one table function. This is a main program. I can say this is called a main program. So three phases are there like yesterday's class. This is called phase number 1, phase number 2, and this is called phase number 3. Okay, na? Phase number 1, phase number 2, phase number 3. I need to go for it. So let's start with. First I will generate what? Exception. I will develop it. So I will take it something like what? Instead of this, you take meaningful thing. Invalid number is nothing but what? I will take negative number error. Negative number error. Negative number error. Or you can take invalid input error. It's up to you. Invalid input error. This is the class I want to take it. This is a class name I can take. Exception class name. So let's start like that. So I'm taking class. Come on, fast. Already invalid input error of. Come on, if you don't say, I will go on writing now. Say what? Pass. So I will say here, come on, invalid.py. What is this now? File name and acts as, yes, and acts as file, acts as what? Module name. So it's very good. So it's taken now. Now I would like to go for, this is considered phase 1 like yesterday's class. Now I would like to go to the next discussion. So let us save this code. Let us save this code. So I'll go to this place, 4 p.m. I say this exceptions, right? I'll paste this invalid.py. Next, go to the next part. Next point I'm going to, let us start. What is the next one? According to our action plan table. So I will take it mul table.py. mul table.py. I will take it. So what is there in mul table.py? I should take it as what? File name and what? Acts as module name. Acts as module name. Okay. Start. DEF. What is the function name? Table of, I say, tell me what should I do? N is equal to input of, now what is this now? Enter a number. Enter a number. See ma, because of this, which exception chance is there to occur? Because of this, which exception chance is there to occur? Value error chance is there to occur or not? Because I may enter some input, which is going to be either alphanumeric or maybe str, or it may be some special symbol. So which exception is internally raising? Good. So implicitly PVM is raising which error? Value error. Keep in mind. So here I can write it implicitly PVM raises what exception? Value error. Keep in mind, remember that. Okay, you are getting the number. In the case of invalid input, any alphanumeric or any str is coming, I will raise an exception. I will raise an error. Okay, now I am writing if, come on now, n less than or equal to what? 0. N less than or equal to 0. What will happen now? Our question is that only. If the given number is negative, generate what? Tell me, if n less than or equal to 0, generate what? Come on, how do you? Very good, Raise. Already I told you invalid input error. You must remember the file names. I say invalid input error. Import from, what is this? Invalid. This is my module name. This is my module name. I will go for this error. I will import it. Right? I will go for. From, I say what? Invalid input error. From invalid module, input error. Input error. So invalid input error. Understand? Okay. Now, yes, ma. Yeah. Import. I say. Okay. Perfect. Next, else part I will do. In else part, what I do? I need to generate what? Multiplication table. Multiplication. Tell me. I say some input. I am giving some small presentation part to look my result carefully. I am saying that you see print of, tell me, multiplication table for, I say dot format of n, Okay, very nice. Next, I need to generate the multiplication table for I in range of I 1 comma 11. You already aware of this. I need not to tell you this. Backslash t into like this. I can say this smart format of I comma n comma I comma n into I. End of this else. So let us save this code. I am going to say mul table.py. So mul table.py. Save it. Plus I need to save it as this already saved it. Invalid.py. It is already saved it also. Now I will write what? Main program. See carefully. Raising the exception or not? So tell me, explicitly we are raising the exception. Here, explicitly, I am saying that explicitly we are raising an exception. We are raising which exception? Raising exception. Which exception we can raise explicitly? Programmer defined exceptions only we can raise it. Predefined exceptions are raising implicitly. So overall point of view, table function generated how many exceptions? 2 exceptions. One is what? Invalid input error plus two things are raising the exception. 2 things raising an exception. 2 places we are raising the exception. So let us save this code. Now I will write the main program. So let us go for writing the main program. Let's start with this. Now, main program, mul table demo.py. I'm just writing. Tell me, I say which function I will call? Table function I will call it. Which function? Table function I am just calling. So when I am introducing table from mul table, import what? Table. Table is a function. I just imported. I just used that function. Start. This is called a main program. This is called what? Main program here. Let's save. Execute this code. So now I'm going to execute this. Mul table demo.py. I'm going to use this place, of course. Coming to the command prompt. So go to our folder, right? Say exceptions there. There I will take it py, say mul table demo.py. So it is going to be no module named invalid. Just to check it out. What is the problem with this? You just go to, when it went to this place, invalid. What is the problem there? You see I capital I gave. Sir, how you know this is once again I capital? You see students here, it is giving you file name, you see I capital. Observe it. This is I capital. Okay now. So let us go to this place. I used a small I here. Say I capital. Now you execute. Now it is going. Come on, enter a number. So main program just a remote, acting like a remote. It went to where? MUL table module, looking for which function? Okay, enter. A number called 9. 9 is accepted. 9 is less than or equal to 0. Quickly. False. False means coming to which part? So I'm just going to print there some number, right or not? So multiplication table is printed. Just observe it. Multiplication table, I got it. Because I am passing valid input, I am getting what? Come on, now execute. Now I am entering something like -6. -6 I entered. Once if we enter -6, table function called. Table function is accepting input. -6 less than or equal to 0. What is raising? Invalid input error. We are raising an exception. Once raising an exception, where it is going? It is raising an exception, sending to the main program or not? Are you handling that exception which was raised previously? No. Yesterday, we raised an exception. That raised exception is coming to the function name. Are you following? Are we handling that exception here? No. What the message is coming, you see? We got it. These are all called what? Technical error message. Invalid input error. These are all comes under. Yes. Is it necessary to handle or not? Yes. So what I will do? Try. I say except. What is it? Invalid input error. You need to practice and come. Yesterday I gave example also. What should I do now? I say \n. Don't enter what? Negative and what? Zero number. This is called one exception. Execute again. Coming to the point back. Here you see my exception, invalid input error. I used in the case of what? Less than or equal to 0. Two things. Start here. I say, enter that. Ask what happens. Try. Indentation. Indentation is important. Yes. Execute. Enter a number. I'm saying that -5. -5 is done in this place. -5 less than or equal to 0. It's true. Raising an exception. Sending to the main program. You are handling that exception. Right? See that? I'm getting invalid input is not defined. That means it's correct. Invalid input is a class name you are using. We need to import it or not? Import. Come on, students. Import. From invalid, import what? Invalid input error. See now. I say that -5. What is happening? Don't enter. Negative and I say once again what? 0. I get it what? Negative and suppose, sir, I don't want these two things to be taken, sir. You write separately, sir. No problem. If n less than 0, what is this error? Okay. One more time I will write it. One more time I will write it. What is that? L if. What is this next? N double equal to what? 0. N double equal to 0. Say what? Raise. What error? 0 error. 0 error. 0 division error. No, 0 error. I am defining my own. Right, students? Go to that. You take. Come on. Class. Whenever you want exception, I can define. 0 error. Of what? Base exception. I can write this or not? Colon what? Yes. Okay. Come on to this point. 0 error. Say this one. From where? Okay. Instead of that, comma what? 0 error. Even instead of saying these two, I can say, even in this case, what I can say, star I can say. But I don't recommend. I already told you. You write, habituate to write this. Understand? How many exceptions are coming? I will write it here. I will write it here. One more point I am writing. What I am writing, you just see. What I am just writing, you see. Here I am writing. If L if of n greater than what? 0. N greater than 0 means go to this type of things. Understand? Okay. Now let us save this code, ma. Start. But how many exceptions you are handling? Only one. Only one. I said only this part you handled. Negative number case only. Be careful. If you understand, there is a lot of very good logic is there in this. Say 9. No problem. No problem. Say next. Say -4. What is happening? Okay, good. 0. What is happening? See, what is this message? Can I handle it? Because in this case, 0 less than 0 false. 0 less than 0 is equal to 0 is raise 0 error. Go to the program. Say that. Write what? Accept error. Accept error. What is this now? 0 error. Beautiful. This is 0 error. Don't enter what? Don't enter what? 0. Don't enter 0 for positive number, or don't enter 0 like this. Now see that once again. Execute. Enter the number called what? What happens? Yes, correct. 0 error is the one which I need to import or not? Comma what? 0 error. 0 error. Execute. Enter the number called what? 0. Don't enter 0. Say what? -4. Don't enter negative number. One more is missing. I say KVR here. KVR. Come on, go to this place. This place. What is happening? PVM is raising an exception or not? Which error? See that. You say enter key. See, I am getting which error? So this is entire thing is known as which message? Go to the program. In this place, I will write what again? Except value error. Okay. Print that message. Don't enter. I say don't enter STRs. Come on, next. Something like symbols, right or not? Next what? Alphanumerics. Alphanumerics. Very good. Now execute now. Full-fledged program. Now execute. I say XY, AB, I say KVR. Don't enter STRs and etc. Enter the symbol called $. I got the answer. Enter the symbol called some -9. Yes, I got the answer. Enter the symbol called 0. I got the answer. Enter the number called 4x. 4x. You got the number. Enter the number called 4 or 6. I got the output. Are you understanding? Easy or difficult? Easy or difficult? Dead easy this is. What is that, ma? You want me to write in one line? Okay. So these things are there. This is called a multiplication demo. So one of our student is expecting one except block with multiple exceptions. Can I write? How? Of, say comma. What is this? Zero error, comma. Okay. Value error. Then you take this message. Okay, 1 minute, ma. Take this message, put it here, and this message also take it here, put it here, and other things I will keep it in where? Comment. Because any exception is coming here, both programmer defined is there, predefined is there. All of them are going to print this results only. Okay, execute. Very good. Go. Enter the number. Say something like 19th table. No problem. Now you go. Okay. Say -5. Because of one message. Other messages also done. Now say what? 0. Same messages. Say what here? ABC. I got it. Are you following? Yeah. Very good. Now here I will write it. You see this. What is the symbol is? Forget, huh? So I say -2, because these recent days, this type of question came, this type of symbol came. What is the symbol is called? Bitwise OR. So if anybody came such type of situation, of course, I hope generally who knows the operations on it, I applied the operations like bitwise operators. What a student possibility to think is, suppose I am entering -2, you are getting a problem there. So during handling of the above exception, another exception occurred. What that exception occurred? Catching classes that don't inherit from base exception is not allowed. That means you cannot handle the exception with what? These kind of things. So if at all you want to go for it, need to write what? Right. Why? Because why I just said that is because those who are coming from Java field, when they are getting converted in Java programming, we will write what? Bitwise operator, we will write it. There also, if you know little Java, catch block is there. Here, what block is there? In Java, there is a catch block is there. In that, we will write multiple exceptions, and their comma is not allowed. There, which operator we use? Bitwise OR we will use. So if any Java programmer is setting the question paper, if they use like this in Python, it is not allowed. That is what I want to convince. So comma, you need to use it. Understand? Right. So coming to the point back, use only comma. Of course, I don't want to say if any Java converter is there, so they need to take care of this. Number is that, -4 is that, and all the values are comes under 45 ABC. I'm getting all these things, same message. But this is one thing, we already discussed it. But the most important aspect is try to write what type of things. It is my advice to everybody. Write what? Separate except blocks for your more clarity purpose. Clear? Shall I go to the next example? Fine. So students who are in the online, is it understandable, students? Is it understandable? Right. So coming to the point of it, Ganesh, value error. Sir, you are not imported value error. Value error is what exception? Predefined. Predefined exceptions are present in where? By default in one module, that is called a built-ins module. What is the default module? I said built-ins module. Built-ins module. Need not to import. See, when I used, if you remember students, already I told you in the classroom. Okay, 1 minute, ma. I'll just try to get it. Don't enter STRs. I'll talk about it. Symbols, and next is what? Alpha numerics. Whether you remembered or not, this word I already addressed in my previous sessions. Whenever I use a print is also one statement or not? Type is also one statement or not? LEN also one function statement or not? All these things are present in where? One module. Definitely these are the functions belongs to one module, but I did not import any time this module. I told you that time already. Built-ins, built INS is a default module I told. Similarly, today we are having value error, type error. Whenever they are coming, you need not to import, because these classes are by default present in which module? Built-ins module. I hope you are understanding. So Ganesh Verma, am I clear? Yes. Pavan Salve, very good question. This question also I was already addressed in the class. This question also I was already addressed in the class. Sir, how can we use this programmer defined exception universally? Can you make it universally or not? How? How can I make it? Create a package. Create a package. Already packages explained or not? Make it as a packages. Sys dot, yes, Senapati, very good. Sys dot path dot append. One more I told you, Python path. Python path, you can use it. So if you want, after this case study is over, I will give you that case study related information as universal. Are you following? So you have to, this is already done in the class. I said already by the concept of what? Packages. There I used it. Sys dot path dot append. I used it. One more is called what? Python path. Already over. This is environmental variables already explained. Any doubt will come, that is there from my class only. Right? Yes, ma. Yes. How to use it in network, sir? How to use it in network? See, Senapati, you see coming to how to use it in network. Suppose my machine is there. It is in network only. It is in internet. How I am using Python software? Senapati, how to use this in Python software? Yes, ma. Pavan Salve, your doubt is over. Your doubt is over. Yeah. How we are using Python? Installing our Python software, downloading or not? Same thing. When you are in other network, download our package, which I am uploading. If my library is a universal, definitely I will provide some link and put it into my website, and I will publish my website to everybody. Like that, my Python software, if I want to make it universal, I will develop my own website. In my website, I will give as a link for downloading. Like that. So since I am giving my own package to you, I am putting into my Google Drive class. You download that, I am saying. Understand? Fine. So I hope Senapati understand. Good. So go to the next part is case study I want to develop it. Write down. Next, open that. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a KH. I said so many times, my API is a collection of packages. Package is a collection of modules. Module is a collection of variables, functions, classes. That's mean package is an API. Why that question mark again, my dear student? KH. Already so many times it was addressed in the class. Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will develop some of the ATM operations. 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 So let us start, students, how these ATM operations are developed. Here, my main target is, look at, our main aim is how to develop what? Exceptions. How to develop exceptions in where? business field, business organizations, or how to develop exceptions in financial operations. Financial operations like ATM operations. How to develop exceptions in financial operations. And the same operations what we are developing now, you can develop by using database also. After these exceptions are over, we start the concept called files. After the files are over, we will go for what? Database. Now itself, you make your laptops ready. Make your laptops ready with what? Oracle and what? MySQL. Now itself, you make your laptops ready with what? Oracle and MySQL. And whenever I start this topic, sir, I don't have database in my laptop, means I cannot do anything else. So make your laptops ready with Oracle and MySQL. So first we are going to start with what? This. Next, after this exceptions are over, we are going to wear files. So make your laptops ready with what? Oracle and MySQL. Make it install and make it ready. Now our main intention is how to develop exceptions in financial operations. Now, so my application is what? ATM. I am looking like this. I want to make my application to look like this. See, ATM operations. ATM operations. This is my program name. This is my menu. This is my menu. This is what I am looking for. What is the number one here? There are so many number of operations are there. At this point of time, I am taking only some deposit. I am just taking some deposit. Second is called what? Withdraw. Withdraw. Third one is called what? Just a balance inquiry. Just a balance inquiry. Just only one operation. And fourth is called exit. After the database is over, we will extend it. We will extend it for further operations. Are you getting, students? Right. So let us go to the next part is this. Now, this is my interface. It should look like that. For that, what should I do? Let us go for files. Needed. Files need to implement. Files need to implement the above application. Files need to implement the above application. Come on, tell me, students, how to develop this application now. I will take it. First, beginning, I want this interface to appear as it is or not. How do you develop it? I will take it. ATM menu. What is that? ATM menu. It is a function. In that, I will develop this type of interface. After that, I will write the code for what? Deposit code, withdraw code, balance inquiry code. I will write this coding part. Shall we start this first one? So this is used for what? Interface purpose. It is looking for something like that. Next is called what? Banking operations. Banking operations means what? I need to go for what? Deposit operation, comma, what is next? Withdraw operation. Withdraw operation. Next is called what? Balance inquiry operation. Like that, I want to develop many more kind of things. These are all called what? Operations. Are you following, students? Are you okay? Deposit. This is called like that. I want to develop it. And next, I will write one main program. I will write one main program. So main program related kind of one more program separately I will write it. So first I want to develop an interface which will look like this. So all of you should carefully follow me. Is this problem statement is understanding? All of you, all the students in the online, is this interface is okay? Right. Let's start. Go to that. First one is ATM menu. Yes. Take it as ATM menu. Menu. Dot what? Py. Dot py. Say is file name and access module name. Access what name? Module name. Tell me now. Come on, start. Module means it should definitely contain the function or variable or class. What is this now? ATM menu. ATM menu. Menu name. This is called what? Module name. And this is also called function name. No problem. We can have. Correct? Yes, no problem. No problem. So tell me, print of print of, I say like this, some 50, I say next, print of backslash t. Come on, what is this? ATM operations. I will take this now. I will take this. Inside I will write it what? Backslash t. One for what? Deposit. Next is for what? Two for what? Withdraw. Two for withdraw. And next is called what? Three. What is the three? Balance inquiry. And next is what? Fourth for what? Yes, exit. This is my operations functionality. Okay, save it. Save this code. Now you go to this place. In exceptions, you create one folder, students. I'm taking one special folder name ATM. I will send the RAR file for you so that you can extract that ATM menu. Go to your place, and this is only the function. Understand? Now I will write main program. Come on, everybody must be careful enough. I will write one main program, student. Just I will show you the menu for you. ATM menu, ATM main dot what? Py. Careful. This is called what name? File name. Acts as what? Module. Okay. Okay, just a file name I will take it. Later I will convert into module. I will provide the password also for this. Okay, tell me now. Quickly. If you look at that, it will be so dangerous. Call this function name in the main program. From ATM menu, import ATM menu. Import from ATM menu. Import what? Yes. Let us save this code. Okay. Execute. Go there. CD. ATM is my another folder or not? Go there. Same py ATM main. So it is an operation looking like that. Understand? So let us go to where what I want to ask you here. Enter your choice. Don't say head like this. Try to say. Right. So you are not a doll. Try to speak. So here, ready. What should I do? CH is equal to int of, input of. Like that. Enter your choice. Okay. Enter your choice. Look at. Enter your choice. Your choice can be either 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all predefined conditions. Which one I will use? What is that? Somebody is saying something. Somebody is saying something. Match case I have to use. Pre-designed conditions. Everything is so predefined already. I will use match case or if else or if. If is there, if elif is there, if else is there, I can use everything. But which one is the most comfortable? Match case is the most comfortable. Ranjan, deposit as a module. What you are talking? This is not at all required there. Not at all required now. It's not irrelevant, that is. Come on to the point. Here what? Match. Match of what? CH. Match of case, match of CH. Case 1, I say pass. Case 2, I say pass. I will write after a few minutes. Case 3, say what? Pass. Case 4, sys dot exit. Right? Future ROSM. My dear future Rosam, your future you only forget. Your future you only forget. Future Rosam. Future Rosam. Sir, you said 3 match case came from 3.10 version. Then before that, how menu app were developed? What I said in the class already. This is available from this one. And how it was developed it? If CH is equal to 1, pass. If CH is equal to 2, if we practice daily, you will not get these doubts. See that. Today I am using match case. Previously, how I was developed it? Simple if statement. Simple if statement. Future Rosam, are you getting? Come on, respond. Future Rosam. What yes, sir? Understood? Yes, sir. Okay. That is, are you understanding or not? Ganesh Verma, okay, ma, I don't write in RAR file. For you, I will send you separately. Okay, na? Okay. So don't send the same message. Already I have seen you. I have seen you. Don't send RAR file. When I am not responding means you should understand me that I already seen it. Okay. Right. So, right. Fine. So coming to the point of it, here, coming to this statement. Here I will come to this. Here, if I don't use match this one, I will use what? Simple if statement, I will use it. No problem. No problem. Go there and say what? Sys dot exit. I say there. Print off. Print off. So I'm writing simply a message. Thanks for using. Thanks for using. I'm saying that. Thanks for using this ATM app. So ATM app. Just I'm giving this message. Is for case 4. And I will write it one more. There is a chance to have entering other than this or not. There is a chance is there to enter other than 1, 2, 3, 4. My choices are 1, 2, 3, 4. I will enter the 20 as a choice of mine. What should I do? Come on. Print off. What should I say? Your choice, your selection of operation. Your selection of operation. Come on. I'm writing so much of logic here. Is wrong. Try again. Right or not? Try again. Try again. Try again means I should show the menu once again or not? I need to show the menu once again. This entire thing I will write it in where? While true. While true. I must write everything into while true. Okay. While true. And moreover, this type of int, choice and all those things, there is a possibility of getting the exception or not? There is a possibility of getting the exception. What is that exception? What is that exception? Right. I will write it here. Which one? Try. See that how I am writing? Beautiful. So I am writing what? Except. Except. What is that? Value. Okay. Value error means what? You are entering the choice other than the numbers. That time it is going to give you. What is this now? The \n. Don't enter. Don't enter. I will just try to take this. Don't enter this kind of information. I will take it. Here I will write it. Yes. Don't enter symbols, alphanumerics for your choice. For your choice. Beautiful. Execute once and try to see. Try to see once again. 16th line. What is the problem? Okay. Value error. Very good. So go to that place. So seeing that, enter your choice. What is my choice? 22. 22. What is my choice? 22. Do you have 22 here? No. No means what? Here no choice blocks are there. Choice is matching here. And it is inside of while loop or not. So see that one is an answer is coming. See that what is an answer? Your selection of operation is wrong. Try again. Come on, enter your choice. My choice is something like a Python. My choice is something like a Python. What is happening? Your choice is actually what type? But I am entering which type? Other than str. Pure str I am entering. Will it be converted? Simply coming to where? Simply coming to where? What is this? From there, it is trying to leave. PVM is trying to leave, but PVM will say, you are inside of where? While loop. You are inside of while loop. Say that. See, don't enter like this forever. So PVM is not going out because you are written inside of where? Good. Come on. I say 1. Nothing will come. I said pass now. Next 2. Pass. Next 3. Pass. I say 4. I say what? Thanks for using this ATM. Sys is not defined. I need to import or not? Yes, sir. Import what, ma? Sys. You execute now. You execute now. Sys. I say 4. Now my application is skeleton is ready. Now I will go for case 1 operation, case 2, case 3 operations. I will go for it. Students who are in the online up to here, are you clear? Students who are in the online, is it up to here clear? Now I will go for writing the code for deposit, withdraw, etc. I will go for it. Right, ma, Ganesh. Yesterday's notes I did not provide. I did not provide. Okay. What I did is, yesterday, in a hurry manner, your notes I uploaded in the 9 o'clock. In your notes uploaded in the 9 o'clock. So that is a mistake I did. So don't mind. So first time mistake. So don't feel. So are also doing mistake. That is a human. Fine. Because okay. So don't mind. First time na. Because you do a lot of times mistake. Let me allow to do mistake one. Uploading only I did mistake. Okay. Okay, students. Don't mind for that. Regretting for your inconvenient. I will upload the notes now. After this is over, I will upload. Come on, now I will go for what? Case 1, case 2, case 3 operations. I will do it. Now I am going for separate program now. What I developed so far? Menu. A menu is over. Main program is over. Now I am going for what? Banking operations. I will go. Let's start, students. Banking operations. I will take it. Now banking operations. Look at that. I say others. Start. I say what my operations? Banking. Just banking. Banking dot what? What is this now? File name and acts as what? Right. Acts as module name. Fine. Banking.py. File name and acts as what? Module name. Tell me what should I do? Banking.py. File name acts as what name? Module name. Start. Come on, guys. Deposit is one operation. Very powerfully. In the beginning days, in the functions and all, everything is an operation or not? Every operation can be performed by using function. What we discussed, that is a fixed. Deposit is called what? Function. Withdraw is what? Balance inquiry is called what? How many functions? 4. In front of you only available. 4 you are saying. You are not normal student, extraordinary students you are. Really speaking. Deposit of, say what? Pass. I will define. Wait, hold on. Next is called what? Withdraw. Okay. I say pass. Okay, sir. DEF. What is this next? Balance inquiry. Okay, pass. Now I will go start writing. Okay, sir. Start. If I don't write pass, you will get error. Because of pass, PAS will instruct the PVM, don't consider indentation block, just ignore the indentation block. Okay, start. What is my operation? Deposit. When you go for depositing your money, what is required with you? When you are going to deposit the money, what are the two things required? One is withdraw amount, deposit amount is required, plus your account should contain already balance. Am I correct? Yes. So when you are going to withdraw also, I need what? Existing balance is required or not? So balance required in where? Deposit, balance required in withdraw, balance required in. So I need a balance variable used in deposit function, withdraw function, balance inquiry function. Hence balance is called dash. Global variable. Balance is called which variable? Yes. Did I discuss global variable? Yes. Take it. Listen. So I will take a balance is equal to what? 500 rupees. I will take it. This is called which variable? Global variable. Beautiful questions I will ask here. Of course, whether you will answer or not, I want to see. Definitely some people will answer. There is no doubt in that. Global variable. Okay, sir. Come on. How actually deposit is written? I am writing the code. If you are carefully learn Python, at the end of the course, you can develop a beautiful ATM operations. Start. D amount is equal to, I am accepting float of input of same, enter how much amount you want to deposit. Enter how much amount you want to deposit. Amount you want to deposit. How much amount you want to deposit. I am getting deposit amount. If you are very powerful student, which exception chance is there to occur at this time? There is a chance of entering ABCD. There is a chance of entering dollar. There is a chance of entering 1000 ABC. There is a chance of entering just ABC. Which exception will come? Value error will come. Very good. Value error. V is capital and E is capital. Ranjan, you gave 4 times error, 4 times wrong answers so far. 4 times. Ranjan, you gave 4 times wrong answers. I hope you observe your chart window. Right. You said only value. Now it is correct. Ranjan, Brahmani, you gave correct answers. I did not see only one answer I have seen. You said one answer correct. Previous answers I did not see because it is crawling up. Okay. Next. D amount is what? Okay, you are entering correct amount. That means numerical value you are entering. That means implicitly which exception chance is there to occur? Very good. Keep in mind, because developer means a lot of forecasting knowledge is required. Right or not? Right. What is that? Feature Rosam. Sir, I did not see in ATM symbols and alphabets. I am not talking about the ATM machine here. I am talking about this is the application like a funds transfer. Feature Rosam. What is your name? Feature Rosam. I am not talking about, I am not saying that here ATM keyboard contains, Vijay. I am not saying that ATM, I am not saying that like in your window, printer, ATM keyboard contains symbols and all those things. I am not talking about anything related to what? ATM keyboard. I am talking about the funds transfer application. This is funds transfer application. This is just to follow me, because you don't get your own thoughts here. Try to follow my thoughts, please. Right. Because I will explain a beautiful, because you did not understand me, there is a problem. If you go on doing that, Pandas, if you go on doing that, there is a lot of examples I am going to explain, Lot of examples I am going to explain. So there I am going to explain funds transfer application for you. Funds transfer application for you. In this, somewhere else there is one example. Funds transfer examples I will tell you. Right now, don't worry. Somewhere else that application is there. I'll take care of it. Okay. Please take care. This is by using exceptions that I will tell you with the database. I will tell you. Okay. Exactly work like a phone pay. Exactly work like a Google Pay. That application is right. So let us follow carefully this one. Okay, Vijay. Right. So come on. Now I got a value error. Okay, nice. We got the result. Somehow you are entering this D amount. What is the D amount possibility? See how carefully you need to analyze. The D amount possibility can be, maybe negative value may enter, maybe zero they can enter. Na? When they enter any negative number or zero amount, what is the scenario we are expecting in Python? When anybody enter deposit amount is negative, what do you understand about that? Is it going to be invalid or not? So I'm going to take it. I am saying D amount less than or equal to what? Zero. What should I do? What should I do? Very good. Raise. Which error? Deposit error. Change. Deposit error. Some name. Will you able to deposit? What is that error? What is deposit error? It is the programmer defined exception. Programmer defined exception means what is required? Development required or not? Can I develop now? Go. Develop now. Everybody say class. What is that? Of what? Beautiful. Colon what? I am saying what is my file name? Bank excepp and a bank exceptions, bank related exceptions, bank excepp dot what? File name and what? Acts as what name? Yes. Okay, sir. Save this now. First, save this now. .py. Save this now. .py. Okay. Come on to the point back. Here. Okay, sir. Please import this or not. From where? Bank excepp. Import what? Deposit error. Understand? From bank excepp, from this file, bank excepp, what is the class name? Yes, why I am using deposit error? Because I am using that raising now. Okay. Next, please. Else. That means if my value of the deposit amount is invalid, that is alphanumeric or any alphabets or any special symbol, I will get which error? If my deposit amount is less than or equal to 0, what is happening? If not invalid input, not an alphanumeric, not a symbol and not a string, it is definitely come to where? It is definitely called correct only. Now what do you do? Balance is equal to balance plus D amount. Balance plus D amount. Where I am keeping in? Will it be, is it allowed or not? Come on, students. Is it allowed or not? Senapati, very good. Is it allowed or not? You did not see what he answered. Global you need to write. I said, when you are modifying the value of the global, variable, you have to write what? Yes. Global what? Did you remember that? Not remember. Up to Sar said not remembered. Okay, anyhow, those who are remembering, very good students. Those who did not remember, you need to open the notes. I said global balance. If we don't write global balance, you cannot modify. Because it is treated as what? Local variable. You will get an error also. Unbound local error. Okay? Right, students. I say here, print your account. Your account. Some x123. Credited with. What is this? Right? Data format of credited with INR say dot format of what? D amount. Say print of. Say students. Now current balance. Now your current balance colon INR. Your current balance INR dot format of what? Balance. Understand? This is the complete meaning of which exception? Which function? How many exceptions are there here? 2. One more is good. Ranjan, correct answer. Continue that. Now withdraw, you come. Come to withdraw. If you look at like that, all of a sudden logic will not come. Say, what should I do? When you are going to withdraw, what you will say first? Enter how much amount you want to withdraw or not. Go you sit quiet and calm. Say that I will just take this one. Accept the withdraw logic. Enter how much amount you want to withdraw. How much amount you want to withdraw? Say, I say W amount. Understand, students? In this case, what is the chance is there to enter? There is a chance of entering alphanumeric value or not? Satya, there is a lot of time to come to your statement, ma. Satya, lot of time is there to come to that. First, understand the exceptions. What exception will come? Value error. Okay. They entered correctly. W amount they entered correctly. Okay, sir. Come on. Now I am going to say, if W amount chance is there to enter negative value, na? W amount is a positive or negative? Positive or negative? Positive. So if they enter negative, in your check, you are writing some amount, you are writing negative number. Will they allow? No. So coming to the point of it, what you will say? Print no. Say, come on, students. Raise. Withdraw error. Withdraw. Okay. What is withdraw error? Go to which area? Exception area. Say, sir. Class. Which error? Withdraw error. Withdraw. What is my class name as it is? Let me take it. Withdraw error. Withdraw error of what? Some name. Take different. Base exception. Colon what? Pass. Beautiful. Go to this place and do this. Say, comma. What is that? Then I am taking that. I developed it. I am importing and I am raising. Very good. Come on, next. Elif. And okay. You entered correctly only. Withdraw error. Now you are entering the amount more than your balance also. What is your balance right now? But you want to withdraw how much? 1,000. Possible? Not possible. How do you write the condition? If W amount greater than right balance. And that too, my bank always need your 500 rupees in my account. You need to have in your account always 500 rupees. I never allow your account to have zero balance. Are you following? That time how do you do it? Your balance should always contain what? 500. I say withdraw amount plus what? 500. Whatever amount you are adding, to that amount I am adding what? To that amount I am adding what? 500 rupees I am adding. 500 rupees I am adding. So that it will maintain what? Seema, what is your account balance? 500. Right now? Now I don't write this. For example, assume. Now what is an answer? 500 I entered. 500 greater than 500. This is a big doubt. 500 greater than 500 false, na? False means where it is coming? Else. Else part it is coming or not? Tell me what is happening in else part, please. balance is equal to balance minus W amount. Yes or no? What is your balance you are entering? Withdraw amount 500. 500 less than 0. 500 less than or equal to 0, false. Coming to where next? LIF. LIF. What is this now? W amount 500 greater than 500. False means where it is coming. Now what is this answer? Balance is equal to balance minus what? 500 minus 500. What is your balance? I don't want to make your balance 0. I want to raise an exception when you say 500. Because I don't want to give 500 as 500 to you. I want to keep, you have only 500. I don't want to withdraw 500 rupees. I say to your amount, I will always add 500 rupees and I will check my account. Why? Because minimum 500 rupees to maintain or not. Now say, what is your withdraw amount? 500 plus 500, 1000. 1000 means what? True. True. 1000 greater than 500, true na? What should I do? Raise insufficient fund error. Sufficient fund error. Insufficient fund error. What is insufficient fund error? Is an exception. Go there and say what again? Class insufficient fund error of what? Exception colon what? Okay. Come on to this program now. Say what again? Insufficient fund error. Insufficient fund error. Insufficient fund error. Balance is equal to balance minus W amount. Balance minus W amount. When you are going to modify here, I need to write a global keyword or not? So I will write here something like, anyhow I will write balance, I will write it. Balance. Global balance. I wrote global balance here. Right in the beginning only, no problem. Written or not? Say, once it is coming here, print. Tell me students, your account XEXX123, some number, whatever you have here, that number is account debited with INR. Say students, dot format of W amount. Yes or no? Say next. Print of. Now your current balance. Now your current balance is current balance INR. What is this now? Dot format of what? Good. Balance. Okay. So I got it like this. Say students, over. How many exceptions are there here? Withdraw error, insufficient fund error, value error. 3 exceptions. Here how many exceptions? 2. Come on now, go for deposit. Say what here? Now your current balance is. That's it. I'm printing the balance. Over. Don't think too much. 1 line, it is over. Save your code. What is my file name? Banking.py. Come on to the main program. See students, menu this is, and this is a banking operations. This is a banking exceptions, banking main program. Start. Which function I will use? How easy students? Deposit. Deposit is having how many exceptions? 2 exceptions. So I need to write definitely in try or not? See, in a try, another try I am writing. In a try, another try I am writing. What is this now? Come on. Value error. What is that value error, please? I say this value error always, this message, common message. Say this message, students. I say, don't deposit STR symbols and alphanumeric in your account. In your account. ACCOUNT. In your account. Finished. Next, one more except block, I will write it, right or not? What is it? Very good. Deposit. Okay. Deposit error. Okay, students, tell me. Don't deposit what numbers? Negative and what? Zero values. Zero values in your account. In your account. Very nice. Next is called a pass. Withdraw. Withdraw is my function. Withdraw is my function, right or not? Say what? Try. How many? Come on, ma. What is that first one? I will take this statement as it is. I will take this statement as it is. Okay, what is this message, ma? Don't withdraw. Don't withdraw. Withdraw. What? STR symbols from your account. From your account. Okay. Next, I will take it as what? What is next? One more except block, please. Except. Withdraw error. Withdraw. Please. Don't try to withdraw. Don't deposit. Don't withdraw. Which values? X. Don't withdraw. Here I will say except block, maintain it. Don't withdraw negative values. Don't withdraw which values? Negative or zero value from your account. Beautiful. Next, please. Except. Which exception? Insufficient fund exception, right or not? Insufficient fund error. Okay, I will take care of that. Insufficient fund error. Come on, how do you do that? You don't have sufficient funds. Sufficient funds. Okay. Read Python notes. For what? For what was? If you get a job daily, you'll have funds in your account or not? If not reading Python notes, what will happen? Account is empty or not? So read Python notes or not? Right, good. That's why just I'm making you alert. You don't have sufficient funds, read Python notes. It is not the message in any of the ATMs. Just I'm writing in front of you. Come on, 3. Come on, students. Balance inquiry. Balance inquiry. That's it. Balance inquiry. Case 1, case 2. See the indentation. Just to see the indentation, you need to be careful enough. See the indentation, parallel, exactly. Try everything. Once you habituated good programming, you will not get a single error of indentation. Understanding, students? Right. Shall we execute? And I need to import what? Withdraw function, deposit function, then balance inquiry function, everything I have to import or not? Come on, import please. Import banking. Banking is my module or not? I using banking, deposit, withdraw, and next what? Come on, go. Banking. Import star. Import star means over. So I will take what? Deposit, withdraw. I say withdraw, balance inquiry. Very good. Next my exceptions also I am taking or not? Deposit error, withdraw error, insufficient fund error. I need to take it or not? Yes, sir. Now this also you take it, sir. This line also you take it. You see, sir, I will take it. Yes, beautiful. See how many modules I am importing? Many modules I am importing. Many modules. ATM menu, sys module, banking module, bank exception module. That is, if I go on integrating many things, if I am integrating many things, that is becoming a full-fledged application or not? Different people will develop it. I am integrating finally. Execute. Go. Start your project. Execute. ATM main. Start. What is my operation here? 3. Check your balance. What is your balance? Next, First work with plain data, later you work with opposites. 1. Enter how much amount you want to deposit. 5,000. 5,000. See, your account is credited with, now your balance is 3. Check your balance. Balance is what? Come on, next. Once again, deposit, say 1,500. 1,500. Just 1,500. Deposited. 5,500 earlier, 1,500, 7,000 is your balance. Okay, sir. Next, go. 2. Enter how much amount you want to withdraw. 5,500 I want to 5,500 I want to withdraw. What is happening? Your account is debited with this. Your current balance is 1,500. Now 2. How much amount I want to withdraw? 1,200 I want to withdraw. 1,500 you want to withdraw. Okay. 1,500 you want to withdraw. What is happening? Just to see the condition. According to employability of this, maybe zero account balance is maintained. Go to this place. 1,500 is, if it is the case, if I don't write this 500 here, 1,500 greater than 1,500 is false. Your amount is happily withdraw. Eligible to withdraw. But I am adding what? 1,500 plus 500 is what? 2,000. 2,000 greater than 1,500. False. Girls? True. True means what, ma? Insufficient fund error. See that? Insufficient fund error. Maybe you have urgency, but my bank will not give you. Read Python notes. Instead of withdrawing completely, keep it right. Okay, sir. Enter your choice. Withdraw. Come on. Choice. What is your amount you have? 1,500 is there. How much I can withdraw? 1,000. No problem. You take it. 1,000 you take it. Now you are going for 2. You are withdrawing some 100 rupees. My bank will not give you. Insufficient funds. Because 100 plus 500, 600, 600 greater than 500, it is true. Raise insufficient fund error. Okay, deposit. 1. Say something like what, 1,500 rupees. So it is called what here? 2,000. Now go for 1. Enter the amount to deposit. Now work with opposites. I am depositing KVR. How much amount you want to deposit? KVR. Possible? No. It is don't deposit STR symbols, alphanumerics in your account. Not possible. Sir, 1. Say 100 point ABC. 100 point ABC. Not possible to deposit. Next 1. Say what? Just nothing I am entering. Just pressing enter key. Not possible. Say symbol. This is also one space. Not possible. Symbol. Not possible. Next. Enter. Say negative amount. 10,000 rupees I am going to deposit. 10,000 rupees. Don't deposit negative or zero values in your account. The beauty behind this example is what? Exceptions. Come on, enter your choice. 1. Last and final. What I am doing? 2xyz is going to be done. What is your balance? Say, check once. 2,000 is still available. Go to withdraw. How much amount you want to withdraw? 20,000. 20,000. You don't have sufficient funds. Enter the choice. I say withdraw some HYD. Don't try to withdraw these values. Second, see that minus 1,500. Okay, eligible, but what is this? Minus. You cannot withdraw. Next, 0. Say 2. Enter the amount to withdraw. 0. Not possible. Don't withdraw like this. Are you following? 3. Like this. Following? Understand? Right. Students who are in the online. So, 3rd. Now say, my choice is 34. Your selection of operation is wrong. Enter your choice, ABC, ABC. Right. Don't enter for your choice. Enter your choice, 3. Enter your choice, 4. This is called program. Students who are in the online, how is this program? Okay. Okay. Mahindra Babu. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Robust, sir. Very good. Mind blowing, sir. Okay. 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 What is this, ma'am? Yes, sir. Future Rosam. You can definitely provide a PIN number. That is what I'm going to into. Password, I said. Beginning, I said password also I will provide. Now I will provide the password. PIN number or password I will provide. PIN number or password I will provide. Shall I? Yes, sir. Provide. Right. Whatever you like it. Whatever login number you want, PIN number you want, you tell me what you want, I will give the coding. You give me your requirement, I will give you. Except human being breathe, everything you can do with Python. Go. This is my banking project. This is my entire thing. Now I am providing the password. Go. I am going to give you. This is called one application. I do what? Go to this 4 p.m. Where is it? Go to this 4 p.m. 4 p.m. Say exception ATM. Go there. Copy this. Outside you copy. 4 p.m. Just copy outside. Okay. Now I will close this ATM, banking, this everything, close it. I'll go outside ATM. I will open my program. Look at students, ATM main I will go. This entire ATM main, I will keep it in the project only. DEF SBI. DEF SBI. What is this DEF SBI? What is this DEF SBI? Is a function. Why function? Why function, ma? I will. This is called SBI ATM file name and what? Acts as module name. Okay, sir. Save it, sir. Go there, sir. Now say, sir. See, coming to main program. Run project. Run PROC. Run ATM project. Okay. .py. Say, I will accept what? Password. Password means not in a readable format. Unreadable format without moving the cursor. Python people has given a library for us. What is that pass? What is that library? Get pass. Import get pass. Get pass is called what? Module name. That module name contains a function called get pass, which contains one fixed name is there. What is that now? Prompt is equal to asking you. Prompt is equal to asking you. What is this, ma? Enter your PIN. Enter your PIN. That I am taking into PIN. PIN. Come on, if. Come on, student. PIN. Double equal to. What is your PIN number? 2675. Even if you tell my PIN number also, no card is there, na? Come on. If this is the case, which one I will call? SBI. I will call SBI. SBI is what? What is SBI, student? I will go to that SBI. See, student, what is it? Where it is, ma? Banking main. SBI. SBI is present into where? I will go to this place. I say, comma, what is that now? ATM main is a module, SBI called. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Good. Now, else, what I will do? What I will do? Say, I should say, raise what? Exception. Exception. Or I will say, okay, no problem. Raise. What I will do? Else I will say what? Print of, print of what? Come on. Your pin is invalid. Invalid. What is this now? Try again. Try. Okay. Seema, I say what? While true. While true. See, slowly we are coming. Enter your pin. Try again. See now. Let me run this code for a minute. Okay. Carefully understand. Say go to the place. Out of that, CD ATM, say PY. So run project, enter your pin. Enter your pin. Now I will enter the pin. I am entering from the keyboard, but you did not see what I am entering. I am entering 2675. I did not enter. 8888 I entered. What is that? Invalid pin. Try again. I will enter 77777. Online students cannot see what I am entering. Students in the online, are you following? I am entering from the keyboard, but you did not see. You have to understand, right? You see what is happening again. See what is happening. Invalid pin. Try again. I am entering what next? 2222. Invalid pin. Try again. How many times over? 3 times over. I should say I will come out of it. Your card is blocked. Your card is blocked. Yes or no? I should do that or not? Yes. Now it is going on asking. It is done like this. So I say 2675. It is going to give you name. SBI is not defined. What is that? SBI not defined? SBI. Function name is what? See that ATM main SBI. What is the problem? What is the problem? Okay. Now from this one, okay, I should say not like this. Tell me, students, from 1 minute. ATM main import SBI. Now it will work. Go. Now go. Okay, students. 3333 invalid pin number. 2222 invalid pin number. 2675. Okay. ATM operations. 3 is called what? Balance inquiry. I will enter my application as 1. I say 2000 entered. 2000 entered. And come out of that, it is going to see the balance inquiry called 3. Are you following? Understand? Sir, 3 times enter. 4. I say 4. It is exit. I will implement the same example through what? Database also I can implement. I can make it the perfect project. Go to once. Here I say what? Tell me. What should I say? When pin number is wrong, what should I do? I will take one counter variable. Shall I take one counter variable? CTR is equal to what? 0. Whenever your pin number is wrong, what I will do? CTR is equal to what? CTR plus 1. CTR is equal to CTR plus 1. If what? CTR double equal to what? 3. CTR is equal to CTR plus 1. What is the value? Is equal to done. Say what? Print of, what is that? Your card blocked. Just one message. Say what? Sys dot exit. Contact branch manager, something like that. So import what? Sys. Start the flow, please. 0. Enter inside. Get the pass. Wrong. Your PIN number is invalid. Counter is incremented. What is it? 1. 1 is equal to 3. 1 is equal to 3. Don't move the head like that. False. False means go to where? Enter your password. Again enter wrong. Coming to else. Second time also. Yes, CTR is equal to CTR plus 1. How much? 2. Again going to this place. 2 is equal to 3. Going to this place. Enter the pin. I enter wrong again. Wrong means it is coming to where? Your pin number is what? Invalid again. CTR is equal to CTR plus 1. 3 is equal to 3. Your card what? Sys dot. Right. So, done. Go to this place. Enter. Enter the pin number 444 5666 777. Pin number is invalid. Try again. Your card blocked. Understand? This project I can run anywhere. Where can I run? Go. Where can I run? Go. Where can I use it? Come on, students. Mind-blowing example this is. Go to this place. E:4 p.m. ATM. Say, take this entire thing. I'll go to Python path. Python path I will go. Come on, students. So go to that path, Python path. Where? Settings. Settings. System. Come on. Which variables? Environmental variables for your account. Already Python path is there or not? Yes, so say edit and say what? Say what, ma? I say, say what? Paste. Paste or not? What should I do? ATM. ATM. It is called done. And what is my folder name there? And in this place, 1 minute you have to observe it, ma. 1 minute you have to observe it. Before going to this, let's just 1 minute cancel it. Go to this place. I will go to my project. To make this as a project, you must understand one point. All these things is present in where? Go to this place, ATM. Under this, I need to have an empty file or not? Empty file must be there. What is that file name? Underscore. Yes. Go to that place. See, students, how simple it is. New, others, and Python. Say what? Nothing is required. Save it. Go to that. In ATM only you are in. 4 p.m. Ensure it once. ATM here. Say this. Underscore. What is this? Init __ dot what? Py. Okay, students. Now come on to this place. Run project. This is my project or not? This the entire thing. What I do is I will keep it. This entire thing under one function again. I will keep this under one function. What is my function name? DEF. What is that? ATM project. Run ATM. I will keep this entire thing. Run ATM. Keep this entire thing. Save this. Which project? It is acting as what name? Under module name. What is my file name first of all? Save. This is called what name? Module name. See this non module name. So save this now. Go to this place. 4 p.m. Say ATM. You take this entire thing. You take it. This part you take it. Go to this place. Ma. Where is it? You have already in this place environmental variables. Say this Python path. Edit, my dear students. Say new here. Paste it. Say OK and say another OK. This is called done. To check it once again whether it is there or not. Environmental variables in your account. You see here 4 p.m. is also there or not? Semicolon, semicolon, it is available. Banking, E colon 4 p.m. Everything is available. To check it whether it is there or not, see that 3 things are there with you. Say okay, and then done. Go to this place. Where I will go? Go to this place. What is that? Python 3.10. S, run. Which module I have to import? Import or from? What is my final project, students? What is this? Run. Yes. Run project. Import. Run. ATM. What a beautiful project it is. Run. Run what? Enter your PIN. Enter your PIN 777 99999. I will enter. Correct now. 2675. Enter your ATM operations. Choice 3. 500 rupees. 1,000 rupees. Account 1500. 2. Withdraw 500 rupees. Okay. Done. You said 234 choice. Wrong. Enter your amount. 2. I will say 12,000. Yes. Wrong. Insufficient funds. Same. 4. Exit. Out. Understand? Understand or bouncing everything? Students in the online, bounce or understand? Back option. Definitely, when you say back option, want to go to previous menu? Previous menu means number is required. That menu is equal to that number. I will call that module with that function name. It will go back. It will go back. So, fine. We can do with database also. We can implement the same thing with database. Real-time project is not a difficult. Once you know coding, it's just like you can play with it. Once we don't know coding only, every difficulty will come into picture. Right. So same thing you can do with what? Database also. Random PIN number also I will generate. Random OTP also I will generate. With that random module I will explain. There you can get it. Right. Future ROSM. This is nothing but what? Encrypted PIN number only coming here. Future ROSM. Here it is coming. Encrypted PIN number only coming here. You can set the timer also, Ranjan, by using time function, time module. Time module you can use. Time module also you can use. Within 5 seconds, if you don't take the cash, I will take the cash back. Like that. So, like that. What is prompt? Prompt is something like you tell me what is the prompt? What is the prompt? It is a variable argument concept or not? It is a keyword argument concept or not? Where? Functions. Positional parameters. Default parameters. Variable length parameters. Keyword parameters. Keyword variable length parameters. Everything is there in my notes. Nothing is difficult. Understand? Students, now time is 6 o'clock now. Is it understandable? With this class, files are over. Exceptions are over. Next, what is the tomorrow's class? Files I will start. In files also you will come across what? Exceptions. In files also what you will come across? Exceptions, you will get it once again. So you have to practice a lot. Tomorrow's class I will go for files. Brahmani, tell me ma. GetPass is a module. I told you already ma. GetPass is a module. Sys is a module. Ganesh Verma, you are asking very good question. What is Sys? Sys is called what? So how many days onwards I am using? So coming to the point of it, I used a package also here. Package also used or not? Yes. But you did not remember, I used it already. That's why, as we are eating the food daily, morning, afternoon, lunch, 3 times we take the food. Like that, 3 times you need to read Python notes. 3 times we will take for physical force. But Python, are you reading 1 time? Never, because it is one of the dangerous component. So read Python nodes. So no base exception one time and another time is an alternative way I'm writing. Right, Lakshmi, get pass is a function which will prompt you to enter your password. Get pass is called one type of module. In that I am using what? Get pass function. Get pass function. Like you see here, I am doing what? Very simple. This is ATM menu is a module name. What is the function name? ATM menu dot ATM menu. ATM menu dot ATM menu. Like that what? Get pass dot get pass. What is there? Get pass dot get pass. Get pass is a function which will prompt you with this message to get the encrypted password. It is meant for only password acceptance. In further also I will use this regularly. When I use it, you will understand this. Fine. So students, when I upload these notes, you try to Rocky, how much percentage of subject is over? Okay, you are seeing in a different thing. Okay, how much percentage of class is over, sir? Means syllabus, huh? Syllabus, because syllabus, I will tell you when how much syllabus is over means 50% is over. 50% over. I did not say if 100% over means my heart will not permit me, because I have to teach a lot of content for you. I will explain so many things for you. Go to the further discussion. Okay, we'll stop the class. Tomorrow I will go for what? Files. Again, files. So important. Good applications again. Exception handling. Read everything and be perfect. Thank you. All the best.